Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to view your purchases on Steam. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your purchases on Steam. If you want to check what you bought, or maybe you want to know what items that you have that you've bought on Steam, but you don't know what it is, or maybe you just want to know how much did you buy the game for, or the item that you bought in Steam, or how much is the cost of that. So in today's video, I'm going to show you that. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Steam. Once you open up your Steam, right here on the top right, click on your profile. After clicking on your profile at the top right, click on account details. After clicking on account details, you'll be located at your account details. Once you're here in the store and purchase history, go to the right side corner and click on view purchase history. Once you're here, you will see now all the purchases that you have made. See on your Steam. This is all the purchases that I've made on my Steam. And a little bit tip, when you click on them, you will able to see if you want a refund or change the wrong amount or have question, or maybe I would like to view or print a receipt for the purchase. So that's a little bit of my tip. And for example, right here, Hogwarts Legacy. If you want to refund it, just click on it. And a little bit tip for you guys. Another tip. I'm gonna show you how to refund. Click on that and like a refund. And here, as you can see, this refund will remove the following products from your Steam library. So as you can see, there we go. Then go. Then let's try. Yeah, the game is too difficult. Make it system. How about I purchased it in match the video games and issue is it instead? There you go. And let's just type in. How about I don't want to. I don't want to play it anymore. Submit request. There you go. As you can see, I am refunding my Hogwarts Legacy. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you check your um purchase history in Steam. I hope you guys like the video and hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.